In today's episode of Sensational Sri Lanka, we will be zooming into the largest animal to walk on this planet. Elephants possess sheer formidable strength and holds enough willpower to transcend death. Back to ZD-canal, located in the lush jungles of Sri Lanka, formed by the remains of the waterflow from Maduru Oya Dam to Casan Lake. Electric wires are placed to prevent animals stepping into the canal and falling into the water. But one shallow area is set free of such fences, allowing animals to drink water at peace. Elephants are often seen near ZD-canal searching for water, but sometimes end up in great danger. This elephant fell off the canal when attempting to drink water and was pushed to the middle of the canal. Today, we look at how this mighty beast fought its way for survival. Whilst being injured beforehand, this brave creature walked straight through the immense force of water flow, trying to push it back for survival. Upon reaching the edge, the beast faced its greatest challenge: to climb up the boundary without fail. One false move and it would fall over the other side of the hole of 50 meters in depth. This could potentially kill the wild beast. The story of this elephant does not end today. This brave, gigantic beast stood up and succeeded, thus proving its worthiness, climbing up to the edge and charged right into the electric fences, potentially destroying them with no sign of grief or pain. This act further showcases the immense strength and willpower of this mighty beast, which are also known as the most dangerous animals.